Definitely fucking louder than last time, for sure.
So what's in here, Thomas?
6 level 515s, 3 7.5s, and a lot sky high wire.
How many batteries is in there?
18 XP 1000s.
Holy shit.
It's over by where you parked.
Be a me, ho. Yeah, let John ho. Yeah, Big Sam ho. Yeah, Lil Bo ho. Check this out, right? Yeah, I think a lot of y'all motherfuckers forgot who he is. So right about now, we gonna let y'all know who the fuck he is.
idea. You got a burp and you can't.
You turned it up off.
My hat back.
God damn, dude.
Oh man.
Alright, I gotta go see what I gotta run now.
That's insane.
Give me channel. Which channel?
YouTube.com/202O'Brien.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna check out her Marissa's later too.
Alright. Thanks,
Drop that coochie like a rubber band.